exercises with me today? Good, good, good. Okay, very nice. So yesterday we did some exercises together. Did you all do it today or just started with the sessions directly? Did you do the exercises or no? Okay, good to see all thumbs up. Good to know that you all did exercises today. See what happens, when we learn a lot of exercises, we start thinking, okay, we cannot do all the exercises together. So what exercises should we do every day, right? This question everybody has. So today I'll show you some 4 to 5 yoga poses which you should do every day. And this will hardly take some time. When you do this yoga poses every day, this will be a full body stretch to you. Your full body will be awake. Okay? And obviously, strength, positivity, relaxation, everything. So let's get started. Okay? Everybody has their mats with them, yoga mats or the carpet. Anything is okay. Yeah. So first, your first pose, we need to lie down and do. Okay? So you all will be sitting. I will show you the pose initially, and then you'll start with me. We'll do it together. All set? Ready? Should we start? Okay. So first is the bridge pose. So we need to lie down. Okay. Okay. I'm lying down straight and then bending both the legs like this and making a bridge like this. Yes. And I'm holding for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Go down. Okay, relax. This is also known as Setu Bandhasan. Come on, let's do it together. Lie down flat on your back, everyone. Yeah, on your yoga mat, on your carpet, anywhere, on the bed also will do. Lie down, bend both your legs like this, hands by the side, and lift your back up and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Relax. Very good. Do it again. Come on. Back up. Okay. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Relax. Very good. I want all of you to do it with me. Come on. Back up in the air. Yes. Okay. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Very good. And now we'll do it one last time. Okay. Lie down flat on your back. Both the legs bent. And lift your back up in the air. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Relax. Very good. Both your hands down by the side. Both the legs also down. And relax. Take a deep breath through the nose. Breathe out either from the nose or from the mouth. Breathe out and relax your body. Okay, great. So this pose, this yoga pose which we did, the bridge pose, is very helpful to improve the strength of your back. Okay? You can show this exercise to your parents also. It will be very useful for them. Now, the next exercise we do is known as Naukasan or the boat pose. Okay? Should we start with it? Okay, I would want you all to have a look at this pose I'm doing and then we'll do it together. Okay? So for this boat pose, what I do is I lift my head and the shoulders up. Okay, hands straight like this, and both the legs also up. So my body will be like a boat. See, like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Okay. Come on, we'll do it together. Lie down flat, hands by the side. Lift your head and shoulders up. And now the legs up. Come on, like this. Yes, come on, do it. I want to see you all do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Okay. Now we'll do it together. Okay. Lift your head and shoulders up. Now lift your leg up. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Yeah, I know this is a little difficult exercise, but this will help improve the strength of your abdominal muscles and your back. It will improve the sense of balance and strengthen your arms and also your legs. So this will be a strengthening exercise for the whole body. Okay? Let's do it again. Come on, lift your head and the shoulders up. Lift your legs up. Come on. Lift your legs up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Relax. Good. You all are doing it really well. Okay. One last time. Lift your head. Lift your head up. Head. Yeah. Come on. Legs up. 1. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Very good. Take deep breath through the nose. Breathe out. One more time. Deep breath in through the nose. Breathe out. And relax your body. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next exercise. This exercise is also in lying down, but lying down flat on your stomach. Okay? Yes. So we just lie down flat on our stomach like this. And this exercise is known as Bhujangasana or the Cobra pose. Okay? So, yeah, look at me. There are 2 ways to do it. Okay? So, first is the half Cobra pose, where we just hands by the side, both the hands bent and by the side. Okay? So, we'll just lift up the head, shoulders and the upper back like this. And the elbow will be just below the shoulder. Okay? So, our hand will be making a 90-degree angle. If you do it like this, it will be wrong. Okay? So the elbow should be below the shoulder like this. And our hand, the elbow and the shoulders are making a 90-degree angle. So in this position, looking up, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Go down. Yes. Now let's all do it together. Come on. Lie down flat on your stomach. Both the hands by the side. And lift up your head, shoulders and the upper back like this. And look up. Try and look up. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Go down. Relax. Okay, let's do it again. Lie down flat on your back. Lift your head and the shoulders up. Okay, good. But the hands should make a 90-degree angle. Yes, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Go down. Lie down flat on your stomach. Good. Relax. Okay. Again, hands by the side. Lift your head, shoulders, and the upper back. Try and look toward the ceiling. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Good. I can see Swasti, Adish, Avni, Harshil, Twisha, Shreya, all doing really very good. Okay, again, one last time. Hands by the side. Lift your head, shoulders, and the upper back. Very good. Count of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Go down. Yes, relax. Go down, Adish. Deep breath in. Breathe out and relax. Good. Again, take a deep breath in. Breathe out and relax. Very good. Tired? Yes or no? No. Oh, good. Okay. Now, let's do the next asana, which is known as the cat pose. Okay, cat pose or the Marjar asana. So, in Sanskrit, the cat is known as Marjar, and that's why the name is Marjar asana. Okay? So, the cat has 4 legs. So, this is how the cat stands, right? So, in this position, what we do is we look up with our back down, okay, with the back curved like this, and we look down with the back curved up, okay. So this will be the cat pose, and we'll add a fun element. And what we do is, when doing this cat pose, we all do meow like the cat, okay. Ready? Come on, all the 4, both the hands. Yes, in this position. Both the hands and the legs. Ready? Okay, come on. Yes. Look up. Now look down like this. Good. Look up again. Look up. Good. Look down. Very good. Look up. Look up. Very nice. Look down. Good. Again, look up. Superb. Look down. Good. Look up. Nice. Look down. One last time. Look up. Okay, do meow like the cat. And look down. Okay, relax. Come to sitting position. Good. Take deep breath in. Breathe out. Relax. One more time. Take deep breath in. Breathe out. And relax. Okay. Now next is a very simple pose known as the butterfly pose. So who will show me how to do the butterfly pose? Raise your hand. Okay, so everyone knows. Okay, come on. Start doing the butterfly pose. I'll see if you all are doing it properly. Okay, very good. Yeah, you all can just shift a little back so that I can see you if you're doing it properly. Okay, great. Yes, I can see everyone doing the butterfly pose and everyone is doing it properly. Yes, yes. So just one thing, when you're making a butterfly with your legs, you can just take your legs behind so that the heels, yes, both the legs, both the feet touching each other and both the heels touching each other basically. And you can take it behind as much as you can, okay, like this, and hold it like this, back straight. And now, yes, moving your legs like the butterfly. Good. Very nice. Super. Wow. Okay, relax. So everyone likes the butterfly pose. Do you all do it every day? Yes or no? Okay, somebody's doing like this. Okay. So if you like this butterfly pose, I would really want you all to do it every day. Now the next thing we do is a tree pose or the Vrikshasana. Okay. So we'll do the tree pose in standing position. Okay, come on. So first what we do is we'll stand on the place where we were sitting. You all can see me? Yes? Okay. And one leg will be straight. The other leg, we will put it on flat on the other thigh like this. Okay? Yes, right. And both the hands
Can we do
up.
a balancing contest?
Sorry, I cannot hear you.
Can we do a balancing contest?
I cannot hear you, sorry.
A balancing contest?
Oh, balancing contest, that will be a great idea. So let me count, and all the videos that are on, I would want to see. The first will be a practice thing. Okay, the first pose, yoga, the tree pose will be a practice thing. I'll count till 10, and then we will start the contest. Okay, come on, 1, 2, 3, start. Everybody, the tree pose. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So everybody understood how to do the tree pose. Now let's start and I'll continue counting. Let's see who stays till the end. Okay. So at least for 30 seconds to a minute. So maybe 30 to 60 I'll count. Okay. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, very good, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, oh my God, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Superb, superb. Calm down, relax. Yes, both the legs down. So Avni, you did it very well. You did not move for the whole 1 minute. Okay. Twisha, you also were very good. Harshil also did not move, was standing still. And Shreya, till 40 to 50 seconds I saw, you were quite still and then you lost your balance. Adish, you also did very well. Just the thing you couldn't balance with your hands up. You have to try a little harder on that. Okay. And Swasti, yes, you also did good. Okay. So this is a very good thing. Who gave the idea of this balancing contest? Adish, wow.
There's
Good,
one.
good.
No, there's one trick when you balance. You just gotta look at one spot on the floor. If you look at one spot and focus on it, then you won't lose your balance.
Oh,
Because if you look
good.
at everywhere, then the retina will get confused, so that will lose your balance in the leg.
So we got a very good point from Adish that when we focus on one thing, we would achieve that thing, right? So try doing this, and I would really want you to all practice Vrikshasana because this is a very great thing for your balance. You have to achieve balance, not only physical balance but also mental balance and balance in your life. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great.
Can we
Very
do
good.
the final now?
Sorry.
Can we do the final round?
Okay, you all want to do? Everyone wants to do it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Stand on your places, everyone. 1, 2, 3, start. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, and 60. Yes, legs down, hands down. Sit in a relaxed position and I'll tell you all one thing. Sit in a relaxed position with your back straight. So this time when we did the final round, everyone was focused. So I didn't see anyone losing balance. This was a very good thing. This also teaches you that when you're focused and when you practice both the things. Okay. So you all did practice in the first round. Twice you all practiced and the third time you all could achieve it. Also, as Adish said, when we focus on one thing, we do achieve that thing, right? So I would want all of you to do a big Om Aham for you all. A big Om Aham to you all. You did this very, very well. Okay, and before leaving the session, one last thing. Since this was a half an hour yoga session is not very tiring, but yeah, I would like to give you a tip. When you're tired after exercises, after playing, you all can do one thing, which is you can do this in lying down also. I'm showing you in sitting position. To relax your hands, legs, what you do is in this position, just let them loose and shake it like this. Hands also. Come on, do it everyone with me. Yes, you'll enjoy doing this. Okay, relax. Take a deep breath. Out. One last time, take a deep breath. Blow out. Want to smile on everyone's faces? Yes, I want to leave this session with a smiling face. Good. Okay.
So,
So
Dr.
I would
Ruchi,
want you
oh, sorry, go ahead.
one last thing. I would want you all to practice this yogasanas every day. Okay. And if you want, I can type it in the chat box, whatever exercises we did today. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
So, it was,
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Dr.
yeah, it was
It
very
was
good.
very fun.
Dr. Ruchi, thank you so much for taking this session for all the participants today. And we will break out for the next one. So thank you again. We'll hope to see you soon in the next sessions.